In this video, I'm going to tell you about what I think is the best way to get started in real estate investing in Pennsylvania. It's pretty simple and it's not too painful, and I think you'll actually enjoy it. So let's get into it. Real estate investors like to get together and network. Real estate's an interesting profession because although we all kind of compete with each other, there's so much real estate, so many deals, so many realtors, so much everything that it's not exactly competitive at a certain point. So real estate investors love to get together and collaborate and help each other invest in real estate. We do in our brokerage, VRA Realty Alliance LLC, we do a investor meetup once a month on the second Wednesday of each month at Timothy's in Westchester from 7 to 9. I'll put the link to the meetup in the description. But yeah, you're all welcome to join. I actually encourage you to come. It's usually like you just kind of go, network, you buy your own beer, your own food, and then we have a speaker come in a lot of the time. Sometimes it's just collaborative, and they talk on a topic about real estate. And the cool thing about it, I always say, like, I went to Cornell University, and those meetups are more valuable than like any class I ever took at an Ivy League university because it's real world applicable knowledge. And on top of that, you're surrounded by other people that are doing or trying to do the same things that you're doing. So it becomes like your peer group. And I always say, if you want to do heroin, just hang out with a bunch of people doing heroin. If you want to invest in real estate, hang out with a bunch of people who invest in real estate. It is a peer pressure effect. We are kind of like products of our environment. What environment you choose to put yourself in is where your life is going to go. And I have had this happen to me because prior to becoming a realtor and joining Vanguard, I wasn't a real estate investor. I really had tried it on my own, but I really failed. It just didn't work out how I had hoped. But when I got around other people doing it and was able to ask questions, see what they were doing, it really helped me get started. It's all been just blooming, I guess, and I'm going to buy another one. So anyway, I'll be there. I'll be hosting July 13th. Our next meetup, we have Corey Month speaking. He owns a wholesaler in Philadelphia. He's done, I think, he did about over 100 deals in the past year. He's done over 400 deals. Wholesaling, if you don't know what wholesaling is, basically you're deal finding and reselling. He also does other stuff, flipping and buy and hold. So anyway, super interesting speaker to have, and we're excited to have him. I think you're going to get a ton out of the talk. I'm excited for the talk because I know I love finding deals because real estate investing is all about finding deals. All right, everybody, I'm Rob Lawrence. I'm a realtor based out of Westchester, Pennsylvania. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call, send me a text, or shoot me an email. My information is in the description down below. Thanks.